Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to use cmd commands to scan your files and remove viruses. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type command prompt. As you can see on the top here, you have to go to your right and click on run as administrator. Here click on here. Now click on yes. Now open the window. Now here you have to type the command which I am showing on your screen. So I will tell you what you have to type in this window. So you have to type sfc space / scan now. You have to put this command here. Okay, so I will show you. Sfc space scan now and hit the enter button. Okay, I forgot to put the slash. sfc / scan now. Okay, now hit the enter button. Now wait for the scan to complete. As you can see here, scan is completing. It's started now. 3% complete. If issues are found, Windows will attempt to fix it automatically. Now you can see here my following command is running in the window. And if you found any corruption in the system file, you can also clean it. I will show you the step for it. So you have to put this command. If you see any corrupted file, you have to type dism space /online / cleanup - image / restore health. You have to put this. If you found any corrupted file here, it will show you here. Then you have to put this command and hit the enter button, and your corrupted problems will be erased in your PC laptop. So that's it guys. Now you know how to remove corrupted files using cmd. So I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.